Welcome student. Today again we are on number play class 8 Ganita Prakash and this video is part 4 page number 121 up to 7 question 7 we have done. So further page 121 up to 7 finish. In general, if A is divisible by K and A is also divisible by N, then A is divisible by LCM of K and M. Okay. Up to whatever we have learned, in last video, this is the conclusion. Conclusion is what? In general, if A is divisible by K, A divisible by K. A is divisible by K means what? K is factor in A? No. K is factor in A, then only divisible by A. No. A is coming in bottom, that means K is outside also. That's why it is cut it. So that means A is equal to K and something. 2K, 1K, 3K or Km like this. Okay, 2K, 3K, any number may come. In place of number, you can write MK like this or 2K like this. Understood? 2K, 3K, any number you can write. Okay, then A is divisible by K and A is also divisible by M. Here M is already introduced this. A is divisible by K, I am taking a number. No, let. It is not fixed, 2, 3, 4, any number may come. Okay. Then A is also divisible by M. That means, suppose this is 3M, no, 4M, 10M, any number may come. A is divisible by M. Then A is divisible by LCM of K and M. Okay. LCM of K and M. See, A is divisible by LCM of K and M. See, this number is what? In place of A. Understood? This number is also in place of A. Means divisible by M like this number. So that means this A means this is divisible by LCM of K and M. LCM of K and M means what? See, LCM K and M LCM means what? Suppose K and M both are the different number. Okay, if K and M both are different number, then LCM of this number will be what? Here, to make you understand well, we can take a number like this, suppose 6, okay, and this is suppose 15. Suppose number is like this, number is not fixed. Take LCM of this number, LCM of 6K and 15M, okay, this is LCM of this means what? 2, 3K, not 2, 3, na? 3, 2K, 2K and 5M. Okay. Here see. Multiply means number is like this 2K, 5M. If here you take 2, 2K means what? 2 into, no, K, 2K. So here 2 means 1K, 5M, then 5, 1K, 1M, then K, 1, 1M, then M, 1, 1, 1. These are the multiples. No, these are the LCM. So LCM is what? 3, 2 ja 6, 6, 5 ja 30 km. This is 30 km. No, this is 30 km. Okay. Then LCM of these two number is 30 km. So if these two number, this is LCM, so A is divisible by LCM. In place of, suppose you are combining this number, then see 30 km, k और 6 पंच 30 and 5 किया 15 cut 3 जा understood. So this is general. That means this thing in practical means in numerical form we can understand A is divisible by K. So suppose number is 50 divisible by K. Suppose K is equal to 5. A is divisible by K.
Yes, sir.
No. Again A is divisible by M. That means another factor of 50. So 2. No. With 5 and 2. 5 is also dividing 50. 2 is also dividing 50. That means LCM of 5 and 2 means what? These are co-prime. That means LCM of these two number is 10. No. So that means this is divisible by 10 also. This is the statement. In true, false, fill in the blanks like this question may be asked. Okay? Understood? Next, when you add an odd number to an even number, we get multiple of 6. Yeah. Question is, when you add an odd number to an even number. Okay. This is same page. Question number 8. When you add an odd number to an even number, take any odd number. Take odd number.
9.
How can we write? 2n minus 1 or
Plus 1.
2n
Plus
plus 1. No, this is the format of odd number. An even number.
2n.
Even number
2n.
2n. Okay? 2n. So when you add odd number to even number, so this is number, we get a multiple of 6. Is it correct or not? This we have to check. Okay? To get a multiple of 6. 2n minus 1 and 2n. No. Adding these two numbers. Or adding this number and this number. So 2n plus 1 plus 2n. What
Sir,
happened this?
22
This is
and
what? 4n? No.
Sir, 22 and लिखा.
Huh?
22 and लिखा.
Sorry, 2n. This is 2n plus 2n, 4n minus 1. Okay. This is also 2n, 4n plus 1. Now check these numbers. For any value of n, whatever number is coming, that number is divisible by 6 or not. No, it is given 6, no? 6. You can check. Take any value. Suppose n is equal to 1, 2, 3 like this. If n is equal to 1, this number will be what? 4 minus 1, 3. N is equal to 2. So then 2, 8 minus 1, 7. N is equal to 3. 4, 3 are 12 minus 1, 11. And in this 1, so 4 plus 1, 5. 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 3, 12 plus 1, 13. Can this number divisible by 6?
No.
No.
That means
Never
this
true.
statement is
Never
Never
true.
true.
not correct. Okay? So we can check like this. because these numbers are not divisible for any value of n. Two equation is coming. If question is coming, you can explain like this properly. Next is what remains. You continue. Means remainder. Now what remains means question based on remainder. Page number 121. What remains? What remains? This is the topic. Okay.
Okay.
Find a number that has a remainder of 3 when divided by 5. Write more such number. How can we write find a number that has a remainder of 3 when divided by 5?
5n
So
plus
that
3.
means number is divisible by 5. Therefore number is divided by 5. So 5n that means up to here number is divided by 5 and leaves remainder 3. So that means plus 3. This is the number. Okay. Now question is write more such number. Okay. More such number. So more such number equation is ready? No. So you can write so many number like this. Find a number. Which number is for any value of or different value of n. Number will be what? 1. So 5 plus
8.
3, 8, 2. So 5
13.
to the 10 plus 13, 3, 15 plus 8, 18. Like this number will continue. So many number you can write.
Yes, sir.
Easy? No?
So easy.
So easy. Which algebraic expression capture all such number? Okay. All such number means this number. 5n plus 3. Whatever we have made. Here option is given. In place of n here in option k is given. So 5k plus 3. Here option is given in 4. Okay. In 4 option is given. In place of n here it is written 5k plus 3. And other than this in option so many different equations are there. Okay. So this equation is applicable. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay. Let us consider another expression 5k minus 2 and see the value it takes for different value of k. Okay. 5k minus 2. See what here one equation, understand here. One equation is given here 5k minus 2. Is these two equations same or not? Question is asking. In different way question is being asked, is these two equations are same or not? Can anyone explain? This is same or not?
Not.
This is same.
Ah.
Why it is same? Understand this thing. See, here you need reminder 3. Understood? So if number is 5k, suppose number is 5k, that means this number is divisible by 5.
5.
So many 5 is there in this
Yes,
number.
sir.
Maybe 5, 10 number.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Separate one number here, k minus 1. That means 5k minus 1. Suppose here k is 10. No. Suppose k is 10. So this will be what? K minus 1.
Yes, sir.
No. If k is 10, so this is what? K minus 1, 9. No. This is 9. Okay. So then this number is 9. 5 45. This is also divisible by 5 or not? Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
here in place of 50, this is 50. What we have done, same number is 50 minus 5. 45. Sorry, this is giving 45. You can write this number 50 minus 5. Understood? Now number is what? 50 minus
5.
5 as per this equation. In this number, if you, this is k, suppose here k is what? 5k minus 1. Okay, 5k minus 2, here is number, no? Okay, 5k minus 2, here 50, this here left 45 and minus 2, 1 5 is different place, understood? 1 5 is different place, means if do, sorry, 45 plus 5, then it is 50. No, number is what? 50. Same number we have written 45 plus, no,
Yes, sir.
so 45 plus 5, it is 50. Now, if you do minus 2, put minus 2 here, number will be what? Number will be
5 and plus
See.
3.
5 to 45 plus 3. That means what? This number is divisible by 5, leaving remainder 3.
Yes, sir.
Means in one set you have detected 2, set left over with 3. Understood?
Yes,
The
sir.
same thing came. Therefore, these two equation is resulting same. Understood or not? Not understood? Because if you any multiple of 5 giving additional 3, then also remainder is 3. If any multiple of 5, one set of 5 you separate and do minus 3, then also 3 is left. Understood? So like this, the result is same. These two equations are same. Same thing is here mentioned in page number 122 and very first question mark. Page number 122 and like this first question mark. Same thing is mentioned. Okay? So like this, if question is coming, is these two equation is same, you can interpret. No? Understood? Okay. Okay, are there other expressions that generate number that are 3 more than a multiple of 5? 3 more than a multiple of 5. Question is being asked, are there other expressions that generate, means can you make any other equation, other expression to fulfill this? Okay, so 2k, what we have done, 2k minus 2, 2k plus 3, okay, what equations are there, right? 2k, no, 5k, na? 5k or n or m, any number you can write. 5k plus 2 was one equation. 5k minus 2 is another equation. These two we have already explained. No. If question is being asked, write one more equation or two more equations.
3k plus 2.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have done that. This is one, no? This is another. If another equation you want to write, what to do? Multiply both sides.
Okay.
Simple equation.
Yes, sir.
No? You can write this way. What? 10k plus.
Sir,
No, it will not come.
sir, 15k.
No. See, 10k plus 3. This need not to multiply. Understood? If you multiply 6, 5 will come. 5 will come and 5 will come with this. It will be divisible. Remainder will be only 1.
Oh.
If you multiply both sides, equation will be wrong. Understood or not?
Yes.
Not understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So therefore, only multiple you have to multiply. Here you have to write the remainder, you have to write same for another equation. Understood? So here same way, this is what? Double. So 10k minus 2. Okay? two more equation you got. No, like this. Multiple you can multiply 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, whatever you want. A different equation you can get. Understood? Huh?
Yeah.
Next. Figure it out. The sum of 4 consecutive number is 34. What are these number? Very easy, no? Sum of 4 consecutive number. Figure it out. 1. Page number 122. Figure it out. 122. Figure it out. Question 1.
Sir, 7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10. That you know, but how can you calculate this? How can you make
Sir,
this?
Sir, P plus 1, P
No.
plus 2.
Sir, जो 4 consecutive numbers, let be
Yeah,
x.
sum of 4 consecutive number. You
X.
frame a number. First number let be
X.
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 X
Second
plus
X
1.
Consecutive means another
X plus 1, X
another
plus 2,
X
X plus 3.
X plus 3.
Yes, sir.
Like these 4 consecutive number, let numbers are this. Then
Sir, then sum the x and the
sum.
number.
Sum means you can then plus this. No, this again plus this again plus x plus 3. Okay. If
4x.
minus is there, then you have to use bracket. No.
Yeah.
Here it was plus. That's why I have not used bracket because plus is not giving any difference. Okay. So then
And
come
4x.
x, 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 x. This is
4x.
what? 4x. Then 1 plus 2, 3 and 3,
6.
6. Okay. This number is divisible by what? 34.
30.
This we have to check.
34.
No, sum of the 4 consecutive number is 34. So that means this is equal to 34 as per the statement. No? So that means what? The value of x we can take out. 4x is equal to 34, 6 right, minus 6. No?
Sir,
How much?
28.
Huh? 28. No?
Yes, sir.
28 plus 2, 30 and 4, 34. So then x is equal to 28 by
4.
4, 7.
7.
That means the value of x is 7. So first number will be what?
7.
X.
Seven
X
plus
plus 1.
one.
That means continuous number. No need to write like this. X plus 2 and x plus 3. This is 7,
7,
8, 9,
9,
10. And this should be 34. See?
Yes, sir.
15, 15, 15, 5, 20, 24, 10, 34.
4.
Understood?
Yes.
You need not to remember answer. You can interpret. You can calculate. Like this, another question may be asked in your exam. No?
Yeah.
Sum of 3 consecutive number is something different. So you need not to remember your answer. You will do fatapat like this. Okay? Next. Suppose P is the greatest of 5 consecutive number. Describe the other 4 P in the term.
Sir. Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Describe other 4 numbers in term of P.
Sir.
P is the suppose P is the greatest of 5 consecutive numbers. Okay.
Sir, just like the P minus 1.
Ah,
P
yeah,
minus
good.
2, P minus 3.
Greatest means it is right side. Alright.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Greatest means it is the right side. No. Number is increasing. So greatest means the final of 5 number 4, 3,
Third, second,
Two.
first.
1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Greatest means P is here.
Yes, sir.
Previous is 1 less.
P minus 1.
P minus 1. Again 1 less.
P minus 2.
2.
P minus 3.
minus 3.
P minus 4.
And P minus 4.
4.
These are 5 number consecutive. No?
Sir, sir, that is greatest sign.
Yeah, greatest is P.
No, greatest sign.
Greatest sign, no need to write. That is well understood. Understood? You can write sign also like this. This is consecutive. No. But I think here consecutive word is not there. Option is suppose P is the greatest of 5. Oh, consecutive word is there. 5 consecutive. Lagatar. Okay. So like this you can write. For each statement below, determine whether it is always true, sometimes true, never true. Explain your answer. Mention example and mention examples and non-example as appropriate. Justify your claim using algebra. Means whatever statement is there, or that statement only writing number is not enough. You have to use algebra, means like this expression. No, x by m n like this in that form.
Yes, sir.
Question is being asked like this. Sum of two even number is a multiple of 3. Is it correct or not? Means true, sometimes true, not true like this.
Always true.
So sum of two even number is multiple of 3. Check.
Sir, sometimes true.
Question number 3. No. Page number 122. Sum of two even. Sum of two even number. It is not given consecutive. Take two even number. Okay.
Two and
Suppose
two
one
and
even number is n1. No.
Sir, one.
Means n. Yeah, m you can write. If any confusion, write like this. Another even number is 2m. If you make sum, means you will add this. Add 2m plus 3m. This will be what? 4n plus m. Understood? 4m plus n. So this is 4m plus n.
1.
N plus m. Understood? So here is this number is divisible by multiple of 3. Sum of two consecutive number is multiple of 3. Is this number is multiple of 3 for different value of m and n. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For different value of m and n, we can check this. Put any value of n. Suppose this is 1
Yes,
and
sir.
this is 2.
Yes, sir.
So this will be what, Ray? 1 plus 2.
2.
This will be what?
3.
4,
Into
3.
3.
12.
12.
No? Okay. Another 1, 2, suppose. 8 seconds given by the sum of two even number is multiple of 3. This is asking. Okay. So then different value you can put. No? If you put suppose 3, this 2 even 4 and ka value 1 plus 3. No, odd number. Again 4, 2 plus 4. Now check. This is 4 into 4, 16. Okay, here 4 into 6. No. Is this number all number multiple of 3?
No.
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 Sometimes true.
What we have checked? We have put the value of n and m in different way. First time we have given consecutive value 1 and 2. Second time
1 and
given
3.
odd number value 1. Third time given even number value. So like this different way we have checked.
Yes.
In consecutive way we have checked, this is 12 divisible by 3. No, checking, we are checking 3, na? Divisible by 3.
Yes, sir.
So this is divisible by 3, but this is
Not divisible,
not divisible by 3.
Three.
So this is divisible by 3, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, those.
3 7 जा.
सत्या 21, no, सत्या 21, 38, 8.
8.
Yeah, this is divisible by 8. So 3, this is also divisible by 3. So this result is giving what? Sometimes it is
True.
true and sometimes not true. That means sometimes true,
Yes.
always not true. This will be sometimes true. Like this, if question is coming, you have to interpret like this. Understood? With example. Already in question it is clearly given. With algebraic form you have to explain, and with example we have to put example also. So this, like this question may be 2-3 marks. Okay? We have 2 marks in exam. Okay. 5. Another is what? The number is not divisible by 18. Sum of the two even number is multiple of 3. If a number is not divisible by 18, then it is also not divisible by 9. What is question then? If a number is not divisible by not divisible by 18, then it is also not divisible by 9. Not divisible by 18, then not divisible by 9. This we have to check. Understood? The number is not divisible by 18 means what?
Divisible by 9.
How can we check? Understood? Any number, if 9 you know, number is divisible by 9, you know the sum of the number will be what? Divisible by 9.
9.
No, sum
Nine
of the
and two.
digit, place value, sum of digit
Not
divisible by
divisible by
9.
18.
Divisible by 18.
Not divisible by 18.
First we have to check how divisible by 18, then we can check it is not divisible.
Okay.
So divisible by 18, any number divisible by 18, how can you check it? 9, 3, 3 ja. No, so that means 2 and 9. Understood? The factor will be if the factor is 2 and 9. That means if a number is divisible by 2, understood? If a number is divisible by, getting it? Number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 9, then number is certainly divisible by
18.
18. So here is not divisible by 18. That means any of the two factors we have to check. We have to, any of the two factor will not be applicable. Suppose 2 is not applicable. No, or 9 is not applicable. Okay, in that case what will be there? Any number, see, number is divisible by 9. Understood? A number is divisible by 9, but if this number is not divisible by 2, that means see, if a number is not divisible by 2, so that means number is not divisible by 18 also. Understood?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
So here, first check a number divisible by 18. So that means number divisible by 9. Any number you write. 9, no. This is divisible by 9. Check. 99 is divisible by 9. Understood? Is this number, this is not divisible by 18. No, 18, 9. Is this number divisible by 18? Tell. It is not divisible by 18. Why? It has to be divisible by 2 also. No? Last digit is
9.
9th. Therefore, this number is not divisible by
2.
2. Only divisible by 9.
9.
That means this number is not
Divisible
divisible.
by 18.
Not divisible by
18.
18. Reason is what? Not divisible by 2.
2.
Divisible by only 9.
Yes, sir.
But what rate? Divisible by 9. Understood? But this is divisible by 9. So that means what? That means statement if number is not divisible by 18 but number is not divisible by 9, this statement is correct?
Sometimes true.
No. It is not
Never
correct.
true.
No.
Yes.
Understood na?
Yes, sir.
Because here number is not divisible by 18 but number is divisible by 9. Therefore this statement is
Never.
Wrong.
Wrong.
I think it is not correct. Always. The statement is what? If the number is not divisible by 9, it is also not divisible by 9. With explanation. Now, with algebraic explanation also we can do.
Yes, sir.
This we understood. Algebraic explanation. Number is not divisible by 18. This number is divisible by 18? No. No. Sorry. If 2 plus 1. Check it. If 2 plus 1 or minus 1. Now number is not divisible by?
18.
No. Number is not divisible by 18. Is this number divisible by 9? This number. Tell it, divisible by 9? No. In this case, in this equation, number is not divisible by 9. See, check this number. If 18 divide 99 by 18, 18 पंचा 90. 9. Here this number is what? 18m plus 18 पंचा 90 plus 9.
9.
No? 18 पंचा 90. This is not divisible by 18. No? But divisible by
9.
9.
here divisible by 9. In this case, if number is like this, in this form,
Yes, sir.
so this is 19. 19 is also not divisible by 18 but not divisible by 9 also.
Yes, sir.
What it say? 19 is not divisible by 18 and not divisible by 9. But here 99 is divisible by 18 and divisible by 9. Both. In this what we can say, if number is not divisible by 18, not divisible by 9 is not correct. Sometimes it can be divisible by 9, sometimes it cannot be divisible by
18.
9.
Yes, sir.
सर उधर 19 लिखा है
19. If number is 19, it is not divisible by 18.
Yes, 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 yes.
But it is also not divisible by 9.
9.
Here it is same thing is telling, not divisible by 18, not divisible by 9. The statement is true. As per this example, the statement is what?
True.
True. As per this is true statement. But if you take example of 99, suppose. Understood? So 99 number is not divisible by 18. But here number is divisible by 9. So in this case, if you take 99, so here it is not true. That means only 1 is dividing, only 9 is dividing. So this statement is always correct, right?
No.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Why sometimes? Understood?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So this is not always correct, sometimes true. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So like this you have to explain with equation, and like this you have to interpret the number. Understood? Okay, next. If two numbers are not divisible by 6, then their sum is not, and if two numbers, okay, then sum is not divisible by 6. If two number, check, if two number are not divisible by 6, already in question, no, in beginning, already explained, you have to explain this numeric, with expression, algebraic expression. The two number are not divisible by 6. How can we write? 6m plus 1 or minus 1. Okay. The two number are not divisible by 6. This is suppose one number. Okay. m1 or n1 you write. n1. Okay. Another number is n2 plus 1. Two number are not divisible by 6. Sum is also next two not divisible by 6. Their sum is not divisible by 6. Their sum, add these two numbers. Sum is not divisible by 6. Sum is what? 6 plus 6, 12. No, or you can write like this: 6 and 1 plus 6 and 2 plus 1 plus 1. Here take common. No, take common. So here 6 and 1 plus and 2 plus 2. In this case, this equation comes addition of two number which is not divisible by 6. Understood? In this case, 6 is not a common factor. Here 6 is not a factor. Here 6 is there, here 6 is not. 6 is not there. So in this case, this equation is not divisible by 6. Got it? Not divisible by 6. So here we can say कि sum, if two numbers are not divisible by 6, as per this equation, then number is also not divisible by 6. Okay? Here it is, you can say with this expression, if the two number is not divisible, then their sum is not divisible by 6. Here it looks statement is true as per this equation. But if you thrice this equation, 3 गुना okay?
Okay.
If you thrice this equation, then what will be there?
Mur-
That means what your number is there, you multiply the number 3 times. No, so then it will be divisible by 6. See how it is? 6 and 1 plus and 2 plus 2 multiply by 3. This will be what? Here this is 6 3 ja
18.
18 and 1 plus and 2. Here 6 3 2 ja 6. Number will be like this. No. So then 6 you take out. So this will be what? 3 and 1 plus and 2 and plus 1. Equation will be like this. No. So now number is what? Number, this resultant number has a factor of 6. So here number is divisible by 6. No, number is divisible by 6. But here number was not divisible by 6. So question is, if two numbers are not divisible by 6, then their sum is not divisible by 6. It is not always true. Sometimes divisible by 6, no right? Sometimes not divisible by 6, but if you thrice the number, it is divisible by 6.
Sometimes two.
Sometimes two.
No, so take any number like this. Example. Suppose number, with example also we have to quote the example. So suppose this two number is, take number value of n1 is 1, and value of n2 is 2. The number will be what? 1, 6 plus 1. Number is 7. No, if here is 2, number is 13. Sum of these number is what? 20. 20. 20 is here not divisible by 6. If you put value of n1 and 2 20, then number looks divisible by, not divisible by 6. Okay. If you thrice the 20, 3 times 20.
60.
No. 3 times 20. Sum is 20. So 3 times 20 means what? 3
16.
times the 7. 21. 3 times 13.
39.
This number is what? 0. 60 came.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Satya 21. So number is not divisible by 26. No, it will not be correct. See, if we do 3 times the number, then 21 is divisible by then. Satya 21. Is it divisible by 6? Right?
Yes.
21.
Yes.
It is not coming in 6 table.
3 now, 6.
No, not coming. Yes,
I got
39 coming in 6 table.
No.
36 not coming in 6 table. These two numbers are not divisible by 6. But sum of these two numbers are divisible by 6. Understood the example? So that means sometimes here the two situation with expression also we have explained. Sometimes number is, sum of these number is divisible by 6. Sometimes sum of these number is not divisible by 6. Therefore this equation is what? This equation is
Sometimes true.
Sometimes. Not divisible by 6. Sometimes true. Okay. Sometimes true. The sum of a multiple of 6 and a multiple of 9 is multiple of 3. Is it correct? Sum of multiple of 6 and multiple of multiple of 6 multiple of 9 is multiple of 3. Sum of multiple of 6.
Yes, sir. होगा.
Sum of multiple of 6. That means 6 and no.
Yes, sir.
A sum of multiple of 9. Sum of multiple of 9. That means this will be 9. This is n1, n2. You can write like this. No. So this is multiple of 3. Sum. Do sum this way. 6 and 1 plus 9 and 2. 3 and 1. 3 2 ja 3 and 2. Yeah, it is correct. Always multiple of 3.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Understood why always?
Yes,
Because these two expression you add 3 is common. So this will be always true. See, sum of multiple of 6. Take any number, multiple of 6. No, 2, 3 number you take, multiple of 6.
12.
So suppose 12,
18.
सत्या 18, 18,
24.
24. Okay. Now multiple of 9. No.
18.
तो 9 दूनी 18, 18,
27.
मध्य 27, 30. Take any sum of this. Understood? Sum. 30.
20.
60. Understood? So these all numbers can be divided by 3.
3.
Understood? This example also understood. So therefore these numbers are always true. The sum of the multiple of 6 and sum of multiple of 9 is always multiple of 3. ये तो always true. The sum of multiple of 6 and the multiple of 3 is always multiple of 9. Another question, fifth question. Okay, fifth question is what? Multiple of 6 and multiple of 3. Multiple of 6 and multiple of 3. Okay, 6 and 1 and 3 and 2. The sum of these numbers make sum. So this will be what? 6 and 1 plus 3 and 2. This is the sum. Sum of the multiple of 6 and multiple of 3.
3.
Is this multiple of 9? This number? No.
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 Because common is only 3. You can take 3 out. So 2 and 1 plus and 2 for any value of n1 and 2. 3 is common. So this is not multiple of here. It is not multiple of what? 9. Understood? But if you thrice this number, then
Multiple of 9.
Multiple of 9.
understood? No.
Yes.
So now check this number. See, 3, 2 and 1 and 2. No, this is multiple of 9. If you multiply this number with 3, this number will be what? 3, 3 ja 9 and 2 and 1 plus and 2. This number is coming like this and this is multiple of 9. Now check with example. Understood? Example is what? Multiple of 6. Take any number, multiple of 6. 12? No. And multiple of 3. Suppose 15. No?
Yes, sir.
Multiple of 3. Here take 15. This is what? 27. This is multiple of, here it is multiple of 9. No? In this case 27, 9 3 ja multiple of 9. But if you take value of n, suppose 1, only 6. No? So this is multiple of 6. Here if you take only 6. Okay, here only 3. So then here value of 3 and 1. Here what value you can give, Ray? If you give value of n1, that is 6 and 9, there it is coming. Give value of n1 anything. Here if it is 1, so this is 2. And if it is 2, the 3, 3 2 ja 6. No, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, check. 3 ja 18. If n1 is 1 and 2, difference. Let n1 is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 2. n1 is equal to 1 Okay, n2 is equal to 3, n1 is equal to 2, even number, and n2 is equal to 4. In this case, check this equation. Then real result can be find out. Understood? Value of n and n2. Keep n1 1, that means this is 2, n2 2, here in this value, so 2. So this is 2 plus 2, 4. Or 4 3 ja 12. Is it multiple of 9? No. Understood? It is not multiple of 9. But if you give different number, suppose 2 and 4, so this will be what? This is 4. No, this is 4, 8. 8 3 ja 24. Is it multiple of 9? Not coming multiple of 9. Okay, if you give 1 and 3, here if you are giving 1 and here 3, so 3 plus 2 5, 5 3 ja 15. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
15 is not multiple of 9. Okay. So for any value of n1 and 2 we are not getting multiple. Suppose it is 10, so 20 और ये मान लो 12. So 20 plus 12, 20, 32. No, 20 plus 12. Suppose this is 10, तो हो गया 20. Okay, ये हो गया 12. तो 20 और 12 32 into 3 3 3 9 तो 90 not multiple of 9. It is not coming multiple of 9.
9.
Understood? It is not coming multiple of 9. Okay. So here if you do like this, note here 27, number is multiple of 6. So this is 12. And number is multiple of 3, 15. It is 20. Note here 27. Multiple of 3. Here number 27 is multiple of 9. So 6 if it is 1. Okay. But n2 is different. Oh, same number we cannot give. n2 if you give different number is not multiple of 9. See. If number is basic number, understood? Means multiple of 6. It is not multiple of 6. Here, if you give 6 to ja, means value of n2, n1 2. Value of n1 2 and 3, n2 3. Here 2n equation 3. Sum we have not done, no sum. So n2 is 3. 3 3 ja 9 or 12. Value if you give 3 or 9, 3 5 दे रहा हूँ मैं वैल्यू. 5 3 जा 15 on 6 2 ja 12. So 15 and 12. Value of 2 and 5. Give value of n1 is 2 and 2 is 5. In this case 2 2 ja 4 and 5 9 9 3 ja 27. No. This value is 2. So 2 6 ja 12. Number is divisible by 6. If value is 5, the number is divisible by 3. Okay. See, in this case, number is divisible by 9. Understood? In this case, number is divisible by 9. That means a situation may come where both cases may come. Understood? With equation, it is seen that number is not divisible by 9 if value of n1 and n2 is given like this. 2 and 5. So this is 4 and this is 5. 4 plus 5 9. Not here 27. And 4 12 is also divisible by 6. Okay. And 5 3 are 15 is also divisible by 3. So 27 is divisible by 6. That means this is not always correct. Sometimes true. No, right? Okay, this is sometimes true. Not but sometimes true. With example we have checked. Okay. How much time passed, Ray?
Like 60.
Huh? 60 minutes passed. Okay, it is longer video. Then we have to do one more. Oh, this is 9:20. No, 8:21 hour. Can we do 1, 2, 3 more questions? We are doing because otherwise we cannot finish the video. Okay. Find a few number that leave a remainder 2 when divided by 3 and a remainder 2 when divided by 4. Okay. See, now we will do another video. Why? This will be longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5 questions are there. So we can discontinue this video. Okay. We are discontinuing this video. Okay. I think you understood well. If you understood well, like this video, subscribe the channel, and good day. We will meet in next video.